Today I'm fixing the biggest mistake on my S2000.
Stop that. Stop that.
Artlist.io.
Stop that. Stop that. I hear him chatting the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Not so tough, but guys keep walking. Just too sharp for the prize. White girls never tell me I'm awesome. Hot like fire on the pan.
Music licensing reimagined.
Like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, but I let out the beast. Revolutionary guy, let out the streets. Locked in the cage, I'ma let out the. Wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget my peace. We take the west side, take on the east. I'ma put him in the cage, never let out the. I hear him chatting the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Not so tough, but mans keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize. White girls, let her tell me I'm awesome.
Artlist.io.
On the pan. If you wanna touch me, please use caution. Beg, please get on your knees. Came from the jungle, up in the trees. I got a few tricks.
I got a whole lot of cheese on my nuts. Look at they covered in garlic. That mean that money is cold like a piece. I eat it, it's sugar and spice. Look here, I'm moving with flavor. My business.
Artlist.io.
I've been through hell, all I've been in this skillet with fire, and that's why I'm popping. Hold up, little homie, please don't get up on me. Don't mess up the aura, I ain't anybody. Do my little dance while I think I got goodness. They thought I was tripping up, popping the molly. You out there copying swag, wrapped up in corny, little homie, you look like Somali. Some of y'all going outside, I get up, go get it. I
Music
ain't finna wait for
licensing
nobody.
reimagined.
Pushing myself to the limit. If I never give up, I'ma win it. Pushing myself to the limit. If I never give up, I'ma win it. Pushing myself to the limit.
This isn't the final step in this. That's just so it doesn't rust up, because I don't want it to rust up, because I got all the way down to the bare metal and I do not want it to rust up. But this is one huge issue that I have been having with the engine bay, where the paint is chipping off. It's due to probably bad prep. I didn't do it right. I did it in a rush, didn't really care, so now I'm paying for it, and that's unfortunate. And it really does suck, because I literally was getting tired, you guys. Did you not? I hate sanding. It's one of my worst things. I just hate it. I just feel like it doesn't really, like, I don't know, I just can't do it. And unless it's quick, easy. But when I do handing by sand, it's just like boring, annoying, and I got tired. I literally got tired, you guys. I'm gonna do a different kind of primer, or proper primer. But we're gonna sand that down again, and we're gonna make sure all the edges are nice and crisp, that everything kind of blends in, because you could see, if you saw in the video properly, you could see the lines were like really defined and they weren't really blended in. So we got to do that. And that's one thing, is make sure those lines, everything gets blended in, so once we shoot the spray paint, everything looks even. We're just gonna leave it like that for right now. We still got a whole bunch of other spots in the engine bay, so that's where we're gonna pause it for the day and then come back tomorrow and see how we can do this. So for right now, we're gonna pause it, leave it as it is, and then continue tomorrow. See you guys